The IBM InfoSphere Streams and Brocade MLXC solution is a powerful analytics engine. It is a new era in data exploration and utilization. IBM and Brocade provide a flexible and scalable solution that can analyze massive amounts of data in real time, allow customers to gain deeper insight into the information flowing through the network.
The combination of Brocade and InfoSphere Streams allows businesses to have a much more precise view of what's going on in their networks. They're able to understand the underlying network mechanisms, and they're also able to understand how people are using those networks.
IBM and Brocade real-time data analytics allow customers to gain deeper insight into the information flowing through the network. They can then turn this into a competitive advantage.
The scope of what's possible to do with Streams is very large. It can be used to solve incredibly important problems for government and for telcos. The way I think about this problem is that there is the basis upon which you're acting. So this is the volume, variety, and velocity. So first of all, volume. So we're really talking about large amounts. Those amounts are not only occurring in real time, but they're also being stored. So you have a lot of historical data. Velocity is how quickly that data is arriving. In a large city, for example, you may have video on every street corner, and you may have hundreds, if not 1,000 video feeds in a city. And then in terms of variety, imagine, for example, an instrumented city. You may have induction loops in the roads, you may have video cameras, you may have GPS information, and all of that stuff must be integrated in order to come up with answers that are really definitive and actionable. Brocade's MLXC is a fantastic device for collecting network data. It's able to tap off of networks at the absolute highest speeds, so it's an ideal marriage of technologies. Very robust hardware, cost-effective technology, coupled up with very sophisticated analytics.
IBM InfoSphere Streams, paired with Brocade MLXC, can be deployed into a customer's environment without disrupting the customer's core business of providing bandwidth and services.
It is completely transparent, so it sits off to the side, pulls the data off, and the analysis will occur offline with absolutely no impact. The core idea is that we now have a set of analytics and a language for expressing the solutions to these problems that is very rigorous and very powerful and has been proven out in a wealth of industries.
Together we deliver solutions that solve complex issues for the world's most demanding service provider and enterprise networks.
Not only are we potentially detecting problems with machinery, equipment, and systems, but we also believe that there is an important industry for saving lives. IBM InfoSphere Streams and the Brocade MLXC telemetry solution will change how you look at data now and in the future.